An AI tool that does everything 2025. Guys,
A
watch
little
this.
cartoon girl named Luna. She had big, but the best thing about Luna's world was her super pup, Bolt.
So this AI tool can actually help you generate pictures, generate videos, but it's more good when it comes to generating videos. Storytelling videos like kids channel, singing for kids, telling stories, or the bedtime stories, or African folktale stories. This app is like super.
Hi, my name is Okobuchi. Let's discover this AI tool together. This is one of the best AI tools I have seen these days on social media, and you want to try it out. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to ask your questions.
And it's free. It's new and it's free. So you grab this opportunity now and use this app right now. Let me show you how to use this AI tool that's going to blow.
So this AI video is talk of town now. This particular AI video is talk of town. Let's click and go into it because, yeah, we're not wasting time. We're not wasting time. You click on get started and they'll ask you to register with your Google account or whatever account you want to register with. You can register. Just go and click and click and click and you go right into it. Okay. Now, when you're done doing your registration, this app is going to open for you. Now, some of these apps are actually more on how they call them, more on video. How can I put it? They are more good on laptops than phone, but yeah, we use them on the phone, but they have more options on the laptop. Let me not lie to you. Okay, so now here they say new project. You click on top of new project. You click on new project, like they're not giving us here. You see another example project. Here you say welcome to AI videos project. Okay, all they're asking you is projects. So here we have 100 coins for free, and you click the plus button up there. So when you click the plus button up there, you see different generations that people have generated. These are templates, and you can actually use this template as well for your videos. If you want to, you can use templates for your videos, but if you don't want to use template, just click the plus button. Now when you click the plus button, this is it here. They're asking you to enter a topic. Mind you, these people have 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 120 seconds, and up to 150 seconds. So I'm not gonna dwell on this. Let me go get my script because why not? Why will I not get my script? Okay, now I'll copy my script from here. Okay, I'll copy this script. Do I need to copy this script or I should take another one? Another one. You know, let's just take that one. Okay, let's just take that one. Okay, or fun fact, write a short story. Write a short story about a little girl and her favorite dog in a narrator form. Okay, let's go. Let's have it. ChatGPT is not ever wasting time. Now I'll take my script, take it down. Let's just take this one, okay? Let's just take this and copy. And Zena and her loyal friend. Let's go back to our app where they said title. We'll put Zena and her loyal friend. Zena and her loyal friend. Okay, now here where they said script, let's drop our script because why not? Let's drop the script because we're not wasting time. Okay, now I'll put in my script here. Yeah, that's the script. I'll put, they say add any pre-made clips or images to include the video. No, we don't have. So what we'll do here is AI video ticked, AI images ticked. Okay, Wikipedia, no. Video stock, no. No, we're not doing all that. So I'll take a 30, let's take 15 seconds. We don't want to waste too much. Let's take 15 seconds and see what's going to give, right? Now, it requires, they say, upload a product or character reference if you have. If you don't have, I don't think it's still okay. You can put it landscape mode. Once you put in landscape mode, you ask here, they'll ask you fun animations show. I'll choose this mini. Okay, then music, you can put music in the background. Ambience, yes. Describe audience, kids. Okay, it will be for kids anime. Okay, let's use it for kids anime. Okay, yes, kids anime. Okay, now you click here, you go down here and you click on generate. Let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so they said it takes 3 minutes to 6 minutes for it to generate. Let's just wait. And mind you, they're giving us coins, they're giving us free coins, so if it means us going all out for this AI, yeah. When we were generating this, there's something I missed. Okay, when you come down here after you put AI video and you put whatever you want to put down here, you see generate content in realistic. When I generated the first one, it was realistic, so you have to put 3D if you want to create cartoon, or you want to create 3D or cartoons, or impressions or pixel arts. Anyone here, you choose which one you want to create. So I'll be choosing 3D this time around, and this is the image that is in the first video that you saw before we got into the video, right? So yeah, I needed to clear this so you guys don't get confused. So make sure you're choosing the 3D. Okay, so we are back because our image is ready, or our video is ready.
In a quiet village at the edge of a vast green forest lived a little girl named Xena. She was small but full of life, with bright, curious eyes and a heart as big as the sky. But more than anything, Xena loved her dog, Kuma. Kuma was no ordinary dog. He was huge.
That good. You just need to click here by the side. You see that download button there? You can download this with the watermark, or you pay $19. So I think the cheapest is $19, and you have $39 per month. But their cheapest is $19, or you pay $99 for 1 year, right? But then again, you can actually download these images, these videos with watermark for free, because they're giving you free coins to test this app. So you don't have no stress. Like, no stress should be stressing you.
About the kings and queens